Welcome to AppStarBrush. In this video, I will show you how can you check and remove Jazz value-added services and active subscriptions. This is the official Jazz page that lists codes to check different services from Jazz. I will share its link in video description. And this is the code to check active value-added services. So on mobile, to check active value-added services on Jazz, dial static 6611 and then hash call, and now to list active value-added services, type 1 and send. It says you don't have any value-added service subscribed. 0 for back. And if you have active value-added services subscription, you can press 3 to deactivate services that you no longer require. So I don't have any active services, so here is nothing to view. You can also use Jazz Helpline to talk to their representative and ask about active services. Their helpline number is for prepaid customers 111 and for postpaid 777. Or you can try this number. To check active subscriptions for Jazz, you can download and use an app called Simosa. This is that app. After that, open the app and create your account. After you create the account, tap account from bottom right. And here, select my subscriptions. Select view subscribed services. I don't have any subscription, so we don't see anything here. But you can view your subscribed services here. You can also unsubscribe from those services if you no longer use them, or if you want to activate a different package from this page. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.